CapCut is one of the most popular editing apps for beginners. It's super easy to use, but also really powerful. It comes with a wide range of effects, animations, and tools that can instantly make your videos look amazing. You can make amazing videos with just a few clicks. Today, I'll show you 3 simple but pro-looking effects you can try in CapCut. Effect 1. Color Isolation. This effect makes only one color show, while the rest of the video turns black and white. Import your video. Now let's play the video to see if the clips are working properly. Now go to the Adjust layer. There you'll see options like Basic, HSL, Curve, Color Wheel, and Mask. From these, choose the HSL option. Here, you'll see different colors with hue, saturation, and brightness controls. Pick the main color you want to highlight, then increase its saturation to make it stand out in your footage. Then, lower the saturation of all the other colors and set them to 0. As you can see, when I decrease the other colors, the video changes and turns black and white. In this effect, the main color you picked will stay highlighted, while all the other colors turn black and white. This creates a really cool and cinematic look for your video. Effect 2. Spotlight Mask. This effect makes text look like a spotlight is moving across it. Add your text to the timeline and type in the words you want to use for the effect. Then, click on Adjust and set the font style. Below, you'll see preset styles. Pick the one you want to use for your video. Now click on the text, then right-click with your mouse. From the menu that appears, select Create Compound Clip. Now go to the video section and select Mask. Then, click Add Mask and choose the shape that fits your video. I'm selecting the circle mask. Adjust the mask size by dragging its corners. Then, go to the feather option and increase it to a medium level. Now click the position point, select the mask's position in the clip, and drag the circle mask. Move it a little and create another keyframe. Repeat this to make several masks along the clip. At the final point, increase the size of the circle mask. Now let's play the video and check out this effect. Now go to the compound clip and click Show Variable Speed Animation. Here you can make all your keyframes move smoothly. Now select the keyframes and apply the Cubic Out preset. Do this for the parts that aren't moving smoothly, or you can apply this preset to all the keyframes. Now let's play the video and see how the final effect looks. It's working much better now. Effect 3, Counting Effect. This shows numbers scrolling like in fancy edits. Add 3 separate text layers. Now add numbers to each text layer in sequence. In the text box, type a number, press Enter, then type the next number. Do this to add 0 to 9 for the first text layer, and repeat the same process for the second and third layers. You can also create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Now go to the text layer, Basic, and below that you'll find the Transform option. At the beginning of the clip, add a transform keyframe. Move the first text to the left and the second text to the right side. Now take the layer below on the screen, select the position option, and drag it upward to the center point. Adjust the layers carefully so that all the digits line up evenly. Now move on to the third layer. Add a position keyframe for the third layer, drag it to the middle, and adjust it so the digits line up correctly. Now select all three layers and create a compound clip. Click on Video, then go to the Mask option. Select the Mask option. It works best with the rectangle shape. Then increase the feather option and adjust the round corner option. Now let's play the video and check out the final transitions. This is how you can easily create effects using CapCut.